Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're here aboard the Robalo 2018 302 center console. As you can see from this boat, it is designed as a deep offshore V hardcore fishing vessel with this model incorporated with the Yamaha joystick control. Let's take a walk around the boat and I'll show you some more of the features. Great integrated platform back here on either side of the motor. Makes boarding the boat very, very simple and easy. You have a transit shower. Cockpit design, integrated cooler that'll pull out here from this nice pedestal. Integrated hardtop, probably one of the biggest that I've seen on this size boat. Great powder coated handles right here, something to grab onto. Bait prep station, and of course a live well. You have another live well back here, so if you're using pinfish and shrimp or just doubling as another cooler, all the better. In-floor fish boxes, but some of the attention here that Robalo does with an integrated cup holder and rod holder right in the gunnel. So the gunnels are nice and wide, non-skid over every horizontal surface, and of course your coaming bolsters all the way around the boat. At the helm, what a platform here. You have twin 16-inch touchscreen Garmin's. All of your switches and gauges push. You have a nice lockable console box here. Place for your phone to sit. Everything's very ergonomic in design and very comfortable at the helm. You can actually sit down, real clear view, some ventilation in the hardtop itself. This boat again is equipped with the Optimus 360, so joystick control allows you to spin and side shift the boat very, very simply, and it just makes boating simple and easy. Taking a step to the helm, or the bow of the boat. Very, very deep up here. And what most don't notice is how wide this boat is up in the front. So again, an offshore deep V, designed to take on heavy waves, designed to go fast, get to the fishing spot, and get back. And that's what Robalo is all about. Beautiful integrated stainless here, stainless cup holders, tons of lockable storage, along with a bow table. So make it a day boat, make it a lounge boat, a cruising vessel, or just a great fishing platform is what the Robalo 302 is all about. If you'd like to see more, my name is Ian Stevenson, and you can check us out online at www.marinemax.com.